the best gifts ever.
Do you think we could sneak a peek at them before we wrap them?
That's a great idea, Alva. Let's look at the wind spinner first. I can't wait to see how cool it is.
Oh, no. We have to assemble it.
Are there instructions?
They're very complicated.
Even my sensors are having difficulty deciphering them.
Is that it?
Oh, it doesn't look anything like the picture.
Affirmative.
Phooey.
Maybe it looks better when it's spinning in the wind.
Yes, you could use your fan. It's starting to spin. Mo, try putting your fan on high speed.
Oh no!
Stop blowing on it, Mo.
I have. It's out of control.
Whoa, that was not what I expected.
That must be the bench. At least there'll be no surprises with that. Doopy-doo. Oh, I'm not sure we'll need any help with this.
Why is it so small?
Alva, the spinner and the bench were not what we expected. Do you think we should check the shoes?
Yes, Mo. I think we should.
Hooray! At least the shoes are okay.
Oh, actually, shoe. There's only one.
Oh!
None of these things are what we thought we were buying.
They're the worst gifts ever!
We'll fix this.
Enjoy your sandwich.
Humble Bluff, we want our money back.
You tricked us into buying these ridiculous things!
No, I didn't.
What use is one shoe?
I told you there was an offer on the shoes. Buy one, get the second half price. As in, buy one shoe, get a second shoe half price.
What? I assumed you meant buy one pair and get the second pair half price.
But you didn't check, did you? As for the wind spinner, it says on the box that it requires major assembly.
Yeah, it does.
And as for the bench, you never asked what size it would be.
Oh, we should have taken the time to check what we were buying.
Oh, that's what Mum meant earlier.
I feel so foolish.
Everyone makes mistakes, Mayor Garth. I was fooled too.
Water under the bridge. Now, how about a second shoe? A half-price holiday or a Boole Crescent Sprig Bunion sandwich?
Wait. It says here, sandwich does not look like the picture.
Oh,
And it says here that the holiday is only half price if you buy 10 other holidays first.
We're not buying anything else from you, Humble Bluff.
ha! Fine. There are plenty of other oolies who will. Laters!
I think we need to spread the word.
Did you read the package before you bought it?
No.
Giznanas, 5 for 50.
Remember,
Huh?
take the time to check all the information to make sure you know what you're buying.
Yikes! This is very bad for business. I better troll.
Remember, take the time to check all the information to make sure you know what you're buying.
Shoo! Shoo! I'll outrun you yet!
Check all the information to make sure you know what you're buying. Humble Bluff, you dropped a shoe.
Keep it! One shoe is useless!
Make sure you know what you're buying. Well, at least Dooley Bean has a pair of shoes now.
Alva, I've fully processed the wind spinner instructions and figured out the correct way to assemble it.
That's great, Mo. That means we have gifts for Dooley Bean and Dooley Palm.
Oh, but nothing for the citizens of Gizmo.
Huh? Blobos are citizens of Gizmo. I have an idea.
Oh yay! Mayor Garth's Thank Gizmo Day gifts are a big hit. The Bloppos agree their new bench is the best gift ever. Oh yay!
That bench is the perfect size for the Bloppos. They love it. Thank you for all your help, Alva and Mo.
No problem. Now I have one more gift to sort, and I need to go home to do that. Okay, Mo, time to go.
Bye.
Happy Christmas, wee littles. Oh my, just look at all those lovely presents. And tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so all your friends and family will come to visit. And tomorrow you get to open a present each. Well, lucky you. Your mum's right, Itzy. It's your family tradition to open a present on Christmas Eve, not before. Yes, Bitsy, even the wee things in your stocking can't be opened. Jeremy Throckmorton III, what are you doing in that tree? It's time for beddy buys, but just think, when you wake up tomorrow, it'll be Christmas Eve. They're way too excited to sleep. What can we do to calm them down? A new family tradition? What is it, Minnie? Christmas Eve Eve? Wonderful! What happens on Christmas Eve Eve? The children get to open one tiny present? What a great idea, Teensy! Will they sleep afterwards? Hooray! It's Christmas Eve Eve! So, you get to open one present. This is far too exciting. There's no way they'll fall asleep now. Christmas Eve Eve was a big success. Have a happy Christmas, wee littles. Until next time. Toodle.